Hi, my name is Alex Ramirez. I hope you guys can hear me okay. So the placement that I'll be doing my second year internship is it's a clinic. It's a medical clinic. They provide services for pediatrics. They provide services for young adults, for youth. They offer dental services, pharmacy services, mental health services. They offer a lot of classes to the community, for example, health classes, pregnancy classes, nutrition classes, parenting classes. So it's a medical clinic, but it offers a lot of different services to the community. It is mainly a low-income medical clinic. The majority of the clients that come to this clinic are of Hispanic background. The neighborhood is in more of a Hispanic neighborhood. What I hope to get out of this second year placement is really just to learn a lot of what the social workers do here at the clinic. I will be actually utilizing the DSM. We'll be going through patient diagnosis. There's a lot of screening tools that are going to be used. For my first 6 months of training, I will be working with these screening tools, and then meeting with the intern supervisor there, and we'll go over all these screening tools and figure out what I think the diagnosis is, or where this patient may fall under. So it sounds like there's just going to be a lot of learning opportunities at this agency and with this internship, so I'm super excited about that because we get to learn a lot about it. I also get to work with psychologists, so that's pretty exciting, and medical providers. So just a lot of different experiences and different backgrounds and different cultures. So it's definitely different from my first internship. It seems more challenging. It sounds like there's just a lot of learning opportunities here. So I hope to be able to gain a lot of knowledge and to be able to actually apply the skills that I know and to really dig into this DSM, which I always thought was pretty challenging. I've never used it much before. So that's going to be pretty exciting to finally use. So yeah, that's where I'll be. I'll be there for probably the rest of this year. So I'm excited to learn more. Thank you.